Alright, everyone, welcome to the introduction of this video. So, this introductory video, there is no lectures here. So, this is just introduction to classical mechanics, and classical mechanics is kind of similar to what we're going to do for first year physics, but it's a little more in depth. Unlike the first year physics course and the second year physics courses, where we focus on either one coordinate or two coordinates, classical mechanics focuses on three coordinates, and it is also vector heavy. So it is vector heavy. It uses multivariate calculus, more multivariate functions, more than two independent variables, three independent variables. um, we are also going to partially derivate equations and stuff. So a quick warning is that if you want to be enrolled in classical mechanics, make sure that you have calculus 1, 2, and 3, so meaning the calculus playlist and the ordinary differential equations. Make sure that you're enrolled in both the lectures, not just one. If you want to be enrolled in this course, because we are going to do more of partial differential equations and multivariate functions, which the core part that plays a role is calculus 3. And obviously, if you want to understand calculus 3, you need calculus 1 and 2. The purpose of this lecture is to observe the vectors, observe the motion. So it's a combination of all the first year physics courses and second year physics courses made it much more difficult. Although this course is mostly for physics majors and physics minors, it's not necessary because obviously I also teach the prerequisites. So make sure that you get the prerequisites straight. There will be no prerequisites taught here. I have the prerequisite playlists specifically taught on all the other playlists. On all the other playlists, the prerequisites do exist, but here we're not going to do any prerequisite lectures. I also have prerequisite lectures present. Make sure that you enrolled on those. Make sure that you understand what's going on. Make sure that you're very familiar with the vectors and scalars and the position and the velocity and all that stuff. Make sure that you're thoroughly familiar with it. I hope this summer goes well. I hope this for your summer goes well. The lectures will be good, and I will make sure that I will teach well, as best as my ability, the ability that I'm given. I'll be teaching as best as I can, but it is upon you to understand the lectures thoroughly. Main aim is that we are going to do one master example, so two or three master examples. So we're going to go through the lectures and then do two or three master examples. The book that we're going to use is the classical mechanics book. I believe it's by John R. Taylor. So it's by John R. Taylor. So I'm going to give the book image and the PDF. If you want the PDF, I'm going to give that PDF. That's completely fine. But we're going to use that book for all of calculus, meaning calculus 1 and calculus 2, both the lectures. Yeah. So there will also be prerequisites for calculus 2, which is this one here. But make sure that you understand thoroughly, and we hope to have a good lecture this summer.